Okay, it's Wednesday, the 4th of December. We have some snow that's going to be coming through. Very strong winds. Some places will just get a quick burst of snow, but you're going to have to watch the roads because they can get slick, and they can get slick all the way down into Jersey if the snow falls at the right timing late at night. It'll come across the state. And here you go, right here. This is around 8 o'clock this evening, and you can see it's snowing northwestern Pennsylvania. There's some snow up in the Poconos. Basically it's light, but as you can see, around 10 o'clock tonight, a definitive line here, and there's another line back here. This is the actual front itself. But as it comes across the state, you can see this gets a little potent. The one ahead of it kind of dies out, and this is the one back here that has the quick burst of snow. Now, this is midnight tonight, and then you can see it come across. It actually snows a little bit out here in Jersey, central New Jersey, up towards New York. This is around 3 in the morning. Pocono's got a little snow. And then here's this behind here. This is around 6 a.m. Timing is everything. Here's 7 a.m. down by Philly. If you watch, it shows rain ahead of the front around 8 o'clock in the morning. There's a burst of snow behind it, and then it actually goes off. It could turn into some snow here in South Jersey as it moves through. Then you can see that the snow machine is going to turn on off the lakes, and you're going to see it start right there. See it coming down. This is tomorrow afternoon and the evening, and then it's just going to start streaming. And when these streamers go, you just don't know how far they're going to reach out. But the wind is going to be strong, so they will carry a long way. And right angle off the lakes can bring it down pretty far south here. So we'll have to keep an eye out for it. Precipitation, the amount of inches we get, unless you're out in western PA, this is where most of the snow will fall, the heaviest stuff, and a lot of that is basically coming off the lakes. This takes you to around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and that's when there's some snow in the suburbs of Philly. As you can see, there's some snow in Jersey. Again, it's just a dusting, but if it comes early enough, and it appears it's going to be early, it could make the road slick. So if you're driving down in southeastern PA and south central PA, you should be prepared for some slick conditions in the morning. It could happen. Higher elevations of the Poconos, 1 to 3 inches. Some higher peaks can get a little bit more than that. And then again, as soon as that snow machine turns on, just watch northwestern PA. It just starts coming down, and it just builds up, and again, over a foot of snow in some areas where they line up. And you can see it pretty much goes almost all the way down here to Du Bois, and Wellsboro gets it. These are the Laurel Highlands, which are normal, but this is another big snow maker up there. And I'm just taking this out to Friday night around midnight. You can see some areas up here where we're talking, another foot or two could be falling in that area. So again, everybody should be prepared for a little bit snow late tonight, tomorrow morning, and then these areas out here should be prepared for the heavy snows out here. And the Poconos again, slick up there. You'll have some snow squalls. They'll make it there during the day, Friday and on Friday. So you'd be prepared for something of the long haul there. I'm looking ahead. It's going to warm up next week, but we're going to have a storm come up the coast. You can see there's a low pressure system here. This would be early on the 12th, next Thursday. And the warm air comes in ahead of it, and that's what allows the storm. But the warm air will not be a friend to some sections of Pennsylvania into New England. It's going to come up here. This is over Chesapeake Bay. It's a little bit further north than I like it, and then it goes off the coast of basically Jersey, New York, there by Long Island. So it's not a snowmaker for the I-95 corridor, at least not this one. But back in the mountains of Pennsylvania, it could be a snowmaker. Now this is still a little ways away, but again, if it would just move off the coast 100 miles, then it would be a storm that we could get in the I-95 corridor. But again, that's not the path we really want right there. We want it to be further out over the ocean a little bit. You really would want this to be right about here, going on through here. You'd really want it to be out there, and you'd want it to come off down here and come out like this. You don't want it to come through Chesapeake and go this way. See, big difference there. That's what we need. But that would be next Thursday. But it will warm up a little bit before that next week. After this cold shot and snow squalls come through this weekend, you'll start to feel a little bit of warmth next week. But no crazy warm temperatures, but enough to give you a break a little bit before the next storm comes through. As we looking out towards next month, we are going to have a strat warming, and so that means cold air is going to come down right around the beginning of the year, right around the first of the year. All right, everybody, take care, be safe out there, and remember, the roads could be slick tonight and tomorrow morning. Take it there. Bye.